Have just made $2,000 in 48 hours. Less than 48 hours. $2,000 in less than 48 hours. I launched my business on Monday, and I've made $2,000. And I am a complete beginner. I started these social medias 3 weeks ago when I started doing affiliate marketing. This is not from affiliate marketing, although I love that, no shade. I've made $120 in that in 3 weeks, but this is something different. I don't even have enough followers on my TikTok to put my link in my bio. And I've made $2,000 in 48 hours. Why is everybody not doing this? I bought a course with Master Resell Rights. Okay? I went through the course as a complete beginner. It walked me through how to launch my own digital marketing business step by step. But you know what? You don't have to create your own digital product because the course becomes yours. And so for one price, no upsells, one price, I bought this course that taught me how to start my own business and then gave me the product to sell for 100% profit. I rebranded it, I made it my own, and I have made $2,000 in 48 hours on Master Resell Rights. Y'all gotta look into this. RevenueRevolution.net. Or comment below or connect with me on IG. I don't really care, but you have to look